Right now, people around the world are looking for more opportunities, more flexibility, more options, more control over their future. But many people never find the right support, the right environment, or the right system. That's why the Elite Millionaire System was created. The Elite Millionaire System is a business building platform designed to help simplify the online growth process through automation, marketing tools, simple duplication, community support, and business building resources. One of the most powerful parts of the Elite Millionaire System is the Elite Product and Tools Marketplace. Members and customers receive access to premium business building tools, digital resources, automation systems, and marketing products designed to help simplify online growth and branding. The platform currently includes 39 professional tools and digital products available for instant access and purchase. Tools and resources include AI content generators, AI social media banner creators, AI image creators, link shorteners, link rotators, SEO and backlink builder tools, hybrid blog builders, hybrid capture page builders, and marketing training ebooks focused on branding, online marketing, and business growth. People also have the option to access the platform for free and purchase premium business building tools and digital products without participating in the Business Center compensation structure. Customers and affiliates can purchase products independently based on the tools and resources they want access to. Members who choose to participate in the optional affiliate program may also qualify to earn product referral rewards on qualifying product sales. Affiliates may qualify to earn up to 30% product referral rewards on personally referred premium product purchases through the marketplace. The system was designed to help simplify the online business building process through automation and easy-to-use tools. From lead capture pages to marketing systems to follow-up organization, the platform helps members stay organized and connected. The Elite Millionaire System was also built around community and teamwork. Members are encouraged to share the system, plug into the tools, follow simple steps, and work together through support and duplication. The goal is to keep the process simple. Members do not need advanced experience or complicated presentations. The system was designed to provide tools, support, and a process that members can easily follow and duplicate. The Elite Millionaire System also includes two business structures designed to support team activity and product referral rewards and opportunities through qualifying product activity. The 3x3 Business Center was designed to help create early momentum through a simple 3-level structure containing 39 total placements. As qualifying product purchases are processed throughout the Business Center, members may qualify for product referral rewards and opportunities based on completed placements within each level. Level 1 contains 3 placements and may qualify for $15 per qualifying product purchase. Level 2 contains 9 placements and may qualify for $15 per qualifying product purchase. Level 3 contains 27 placements and may qualify for $20 per qualifying product purchase. The structure was designed to keep the process simple, duplicatable, and organized around team activity and product participation. The 2x10 Business Center was designed around long-term team building activity and recurring product referral rewards and opportunities tied to organizational growth and active participation. Within the 2x10 Business Center, members may qualify for product referral rewards and opportunities on qualifying product purchases throughout 10 levels of placements. Each level expands through a simple 2x2 duplication structure, creating a total of 2,046 placements across the entire Business Center. The structure was designed to support long-term organization growth, duplication, and recurring product activity throughout the community. Affiliates may also qualify for a $5 product referral rewards bonus on qualifying product purchases generated through their personal referrals. This rewards both customer referrals and affiliate activity throughout the platform. Results are never guaranteed. Success depends on many factors including effort, consistency, participation, leadership, and market conditions. This is not a guarantee of income, and individual results will vary. The Elite Millionaire System combines business building tools, automation, community, and optional product referral rewards and opportunities inside one platform designed around growth and duplication. Combined with powerful business building tools and marketing resources, the Elite Millionaire System was designed to help members simplify the process of building online. Watch the presentation below to see full details and learn more about the Elite Millionaire System. Access our business building platform and optional affiliate program. One community, one system, built for growth.